Karnataka is said to contain the maximum number of seats when we talk about MBBS or medical field. Welcome back to Medical 360, and today's video is going to be about Karnataka AIQ, that is All India Level Counselling or MCC Counselling, and the dates are expected to be released soon. So this MCC Counselling basically contains the 15% of the state seats, and in this video we'll be revealing the expected cutoffs for the AIQ Counselling for the unreserved EWS, OBC, SC and ST categories for the best medical colleges or the government medical colleges GMCs present in Karnataka. But before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and also we are thankful to SRM University for sponsoring this video so that we can bring all the information and updates to you quickly and instantly. We also would like to acknowledge you that our counselors are sitting over here to help you out with the one-to-one counselling sessions so that you can be guided to the best medical colleges of India. What you have to do is, you have to send NEET on this WhatsApp number. You can call on this given number. The number is 8130376334, and you can attain one-to-one counselling session with the best counselors of India. Also, we have the Careers 360 NEET College Predictor tool. The link is mentioned in the description box. What you have to do is, you have to click on the link, enter the RE-NEET 2026 score based upon your scorecard, and you will be shown a list of probable medical colleges that you can attain via NEET 2026 counselling sessions. Talking about Karnataka, we have a general overview of the number of the government medical colleges, private medical colleges, total government medical seats and private medical seats available in Karnataka. That shall help you know that what could be the desirable choice for you to fill during the counselling, AIQ counselling, especially when you're pushing yourself to attain a government medical college or any MBBS seat in Karnataka. So for the data, there are 24 medical colleges which belong to the government sector in Karnataka, 51 private medical colleges in Karnataka, and total 75 medical colleges. So overall, out of the total 75 medical colleges, the 66% of the seats belong to the private medical field and the 24% of the seats belong to the government medical field. Next, we also have the data for the number of the seats renewed. Total number of seats renewed in the government medical colleges is 4250. Total number of seats renewed in the private medical colleges is 9845. And the number of seats that have been added. You can see over here that only 150 medical seats have been added in the government medical colleges, and the total number of government medical seats available in Karnataka is 4400. That is 4400. Next, if I talk about the private medical colleges, there were 9845 medical seats in the private sector. 1150 medical seats have been added in the private medical colleges, and the total number of seats in the private medical colleges is 10,995. So from this data, I can clearly conclude that 2 out of 3 medical colleges in the Karnataka state are private medical colleges. Next, the increase in the government medical seat and the increase in the private medical seats have been poles apart. Where there has been a weak or a moderate increase in the number of the government medical seats in Karnataka, there has been a strong growth in the number of private medical seats in the state of Karnataka. And the total number of seats in the Karnataka state is 15,395, making it the state with the highest number of MBBS seats in India. Next, we also have the data of the number of the students who have appeared, registered and qualified the RE-NEET 2026 examination that was conducted on 21st June 2026. Talking about the Karnataka state, 1,45,852 students participated or registered from Karnataka, out of which only 1,17,564 students appeared for the examination. And the number of students who qualified from Karnataka is 65,901. So the qualifying percentage is 56.1%. Compare it with the All India level. Total number of students who participated or registered in the NEET 2026 examination is approximately 22 lakhs, out of which approximately 20 lakh students appeared for the examination and 11.21 lakh students qualified the examination. So overall, All India qualifying percentage is also 56.1%. Next, here is the MBBS cutoff for the unreserved EWS, OBC, SC and ST categories for the 24 government medical colleges which we have discussed. Okay, if I talk about the highly competitive government medical college present in this current list, it would be Mysore Medical College and Research Institute, because the highest closing rank for the government medical college, for this government medical college, has been 9,374, that is below 10K. If I talk about the other colleges in the series, The other competitive colleges can be Karnataka Institute of Medical Science located in Hubli. Then we have Mandya Institute of Medical Science located in Mandya that has the highest closing rank for the government, that has the highest closing rank for the unreserved or the general category as 15,999. There are other several colleges which fall in the list or in the bandwidth of 18 to 23K. As you can clearly see over here, we have Shimoga Institute of Medical Science, which has the highest closing rank for the unreserved categories as 18,442. We have Vijayanagar Institute of Medical Science located in Bellary having the highest closing rank as 20,889. This has been the highest cutoff rank or the highest closing rank for these government medical colleges in the 2025 counseling session, and based upon this you can have an idea for which college you can apply based upon your rank mentioned on the NEET 2026 scorecard. Remember, this data has been taken considering all the rounds of counseling, round 1, round 2 and round 3, and the highest value of the closing rank has been selected. Next, we also have Belgaum Institute of Medical Science having the highest closing rank as 15,950 for the unreserved category, 20,730 for the EWS category, 18,008 for the OBC category, 1,13,347 for the SC category, and 1,22,194 for the ST category. Similarly, we have the highest closing rank for all the categories. The maximum closing rank that is available for the unreserved category in this list is for Haveri Institute of Medical Science, which has the highest closing rank for the unreserved category as 23,733. The data has been almost consistent or significant for the OBC category, ranging in the bandwidth of 16 or 17K to 23K. So there has been no consistent drop or no consistent fluctuation seen in the highest closing rank for these different GMCs. It has been in the bandwidth of 17K to 23K for the OBC category. But you can clearly see a sharp drift in the other categories. Then we have other government medical colleges which are located in the Karnataka state. At top we have Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute located in Bangalore having the highest closing rank as 1,642. That clearly means that there will be a high competition for attaining the admission into this college. For the EWS category, the highest closing rank is 7,252. For the OBC category, the highest closing rank was 5,352. For the SC category, the highest closing rank was 42,980, and for the ST category, the highest closing rank was 39,980. Next, we have some other colleges also which have a rank below 10K for the unreserved category. For example, Bowring and Lady Curzon Medical College and Research Institute located in Bangalore having the highest closing rank for the unreserved category as 7,675. We also have ESI Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences and Research located in Bangalore having the highest closing rank as 9,180. So these three can be considered as the top competitive colleges where students must be passionately applying for their admissions into the Karnataka state. Then we have the data for the other government medical colleges also. As you can see clearly in the list, for the unreserved, EWS, OBC, SC and ST category, you can take a screenshot of this highest closing rank or the cutoff ranks of these particular government medical colleges so that you can have a better idea of the counseling sessions that are about to start. Next, we have few other medical colleges. Over here, you can see that the highest closing rank for the unreserved category is beyond 20K. For example, Karwar Institute of Medical Science, it has the highest closing rank as 21,203. For the unreserved category, for the EWS category, the highest closing rank is 26,369. For the OBC category, the highest closing rank is 21,967. For the SC category, the highest closing rank is 1,26,484, and for the ST category, the highest closing rank is 1,50,015. So this is the exact cutoff data of the last day counseling session at the AIQ or the MCC counseling level for these colleges. You can again take a screenshot of these highest cutoff ranks for the different categories for these respective colleges so that you can have a better idea of the counseling sessions that are about to start. And at last, I would again acknowledge you that you can call on this number 8130-376-334 and can be guided to the best medical colleges, whether it be Karnataka or any other state. Comment down your doubts related to the counseling session and the admission process, or you can call and connect over the call with the counselors. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel Medical360. Thank you for watching this video.